Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll provide you the landscape photography preset for the Photoshop and the Lightroom as well. And I've just shown you the process how to add the Lightroom preset in your Lightroom panel, and I'll give you that video detailed video in my video description. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And stay at home, don't go outside, maintain all the WHO health rules and stay safe. And in a home panel, if I go to the home, here is the stock image. Actually this image was like that, and after adding the preset I just got that type of things, and I'll show you how to add that preset and how to the settings and what is the settings over there. Pressing Ctrl or Command J, and or you can just drag it and drop over here. You'll get a new copy of this layer, background layer, and you can rename these things and suppose like that. Okay, after that go to the filter, camera filter. If you are the user of the CS version, you have to install it manually, otherwise you are getting this one by default in your Creative Cloud version. And if you want to get the update and download link, please check out my video description. From here all the thing is same as the Lightroom. From here you're getting a small menu, go to the load settings options. From here you'll get a land, and I'll provide you in my video description this XMP file, and load it up. After that you are getting like this. You have the assumption to edit fully like that. So let's see the settings what I have used over here. -4 for the temperature, tint -13, -0.05 is exposure, +11 contrast, -33 highlights, and the shadow +48. If you need you can adjust or you can increase the shadow and highlight all the steps. And the whites -323, -32, and the blacks 0, and texture -8, clarity -3, dehaze +33, and the vibrance +32, and the saturation +30. And after that here is a tone curve. In a blue tone curve I use the lock over here and here, and the green tone curve like that, and the red tone curve I use locked up here and here, and the RGB over here. If you want to more gamma, locked over here and here, and take it in upper side, or if you don't want that you can just make it in a downside, and this one is your preferences to make how it will be. And here the sharpening, here is the two portion, sharpening and noise reduction. If in this photo or if in your photo has the noise, you can increase the luminance from the noise reduction. And sharpening as well, I made it over here 51, 1 and 25 and 45, 50, and the color that is 25, color detail 50, and the color smoothness 50. And HSL panel I made the hue of the blue that is -31 for the aqua, and the green that is +3, and saturation, red saturation 58. You know saturation means the percentage of the color, and here the orange 30, yellow -3, green -7, aqua -16, blue -55, and purple -7, magenta -5. Luminance, I decreased the luminance of the red, orange increased +21, and yellow 21. After that split toning, shadow color and highlight color. Shadow color and highlight color over here. From the hue you are defining the color, and highlight color is 296, that is the value, and saturation 17, and the shadow color 227, and the saturation that is 13. And from here you are getting the effects. From here no grain over here. If you need you can use the grain in your photos, but in this photo I am not using the grain over here. And the post crop vignetting you are getting the amount -16, and over here you are getting the calibration, that is the red primary, green primary, and blue primary. Red primary +18, green primary +43, and blue primary -12, and hit the OK button. And after that I'll add another filter from the Nik Collection. Go to the filter, Nik Collection, color effects Pro 4. So in this panel here are lots of preset and lots of filters over here. Which one is perfect for your photography? it's totally your preferences. From here I'm using the cross processing and lots of method over here. In this photo, for this case, I am using the Y02 and hit OK. And after using that, you are getting the difference between the previous and after. Let's see, the previous image was like that, or after what is you are getting. Before one was like that, and after adding the preset and the Nik Collection, you are getting like that. So you can use that example in Lightroom as well. I'm giving you the video link how to add the Lightroom or example in a Lightroom. So hope that you like this video and share with your friends. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link, that is the free of cost, please check out my video description. And stay at home, don't go outside, stay safe. Keep me in your prayers as well. Bye bye.